Hi, it's Bill from One Betty Bill. I just got new tires put on my Hyundai Santa Fe, and I noticed when I got home, I got the Toyo tires, but there's a yellow dot on all the tires when you go around. So I was wondering what that was. So I asked, and what I found out is that when the tires are made, they're almost never perfectly balanced. And most manufacturers will place a yellow dot on the section of the tire where there is least weight. The spots on the sidewall of your tire were specifically placed there to guide the installation process, and that yellow dot should be lined up with the air stem. Let's see if they did that on all my tires. Yep, that one's done. Let's check the other side. They got that. Tires look nice. Really rode nice on the way home, my Toyos. Yep, and they balanced them for me. You can see the weights there. So we're all set for another 60,000 miles or so. My last ones I did get actually close to 65,000 miles. Sometimes there's a red dot on your tire, and I'm told that's where the flattest portion of your tire is. So just wondering about the dots. You all have a great day. Thanks for listening. Now remember, if you have a red dot on your tire, where I only do have a yellow, so they line mine up perfectly. If you have a red dot, it supersedes the yellow dot. The red dot, some tires have a red and yellow dot. The red dot always supersedes the yellow dot. So if there was a red dot, say here, then it should be lined up with the valve stem. This gives you less vibration of the tires. If you roll your window down while you're driving, you won't hear a lot of noise like sometimes you do if things aren't balanced or lined up right.